Welcome to our countdown channel, where we're about to ignite the engines and embark on a thrilling journey through the annals of automotive history. Today, gear up for a high-octane adventure as we unveil the definitive roster of the top 10 muscle cars of all time. These vehicular legends have left an indelible imprint on the asphalt, symbolizing an era where horsepower reigned supreme and the open road beckoned with limitless potential. So, buckle up and get ready to rev your engines, because we're about to unveil the quintessential powerhouses that have defined the muscle car universe. Number 10. Pontiac GTO. Entering our countdown at number 10 is a true trailblazer, the Pontiac GTO. Bursting onto the scene in the muscle car's formative years, the GTO quickly earned its stripes as the GOAT, a moniker representing power, style, and audacity. Boasting a commanding V8 engine under its hood and a sleek design that epitomized cool, the GTO served as the vanguard of the muscle car movement. Its legacy lives on as a symbol of that daring spirit that forever changed the automotive landscape. Number 9. Dodge Charger RT. Roaring into the 9th spot is an icon that's synonymous with muscle car supremacy, the Dodge Charger RT. With a stance that demanded attention and a bellowing Hemi engine that shook the ground, the Charger RT left an indelible burnout on both the dragstrip and pop culture. From its unforgettable appearance in film and TV to its thunderous presence on the road, the Charger RT is the epitome of bold American muscle. Number 8. Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Sliding into the 8th slot is a quintessential favorite, the Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Crafted with a blend of aggressive style and performance-driven engineering, the Chevelle SS represented an era when power and aesthetics fused harmoniously. From its striking lines to its potent big-block engines, this icon continues to evoke an era of unabashed horsepower glory. Number 7. Plymouth Barracuda. Number 7 transports us to the realm of mystery and allure, the Plymouth Barracuda. With its alluring curves and a range of potent engine options, the Barracuda was a quintessential player in the muscle car theater. Its distinctive appearance and capacity to transform into a fearsome track contender make it a connoisseur's choice for those who value both elegance and aggression. Number 6. Ford Mustang Boss 429. Taking the 6th slot is a legend that commands respect, the Ford Mustang Boss 429. Born from the ambition of producing a NASCAR-ready powerhouse, the Boss 429 was more than a car, it was a declaration of intent. With a thundering 429 cubic inch engine tucked beneath its hood, the Boss 429 delivered unapologetic performance, proving that Ford was serious about dominating both the track and the street. Number 5. Chevrolet Camaro Z28. Revving up to number 5 is the Chevrolet Camaro Z28. Seamlessly melding brute strength with precision handling, the Z28 was the ultimate track weapon. With a history steeped in Trans Am racing glory, this Camaro variant was built for the thrill of speed and the challenge of the circuit. Its agility, power, and racing pedigree secure its position among the muscle car elite. Number 4. Plymouth Roadrunner. Sprinting into the 4th spot is the unmistakable Plymouth Roadrunner. A reflection of a time when muscle cars were about pure performance rather than lavish frills, the Roadrunner was unadulterated power on wheels. Its stripped-down appeal, raw powertrains, and iconic beep-beep horn left an indelible mark on both the dragstrip and the street. Number 3. Dodge Challenger. Claiming the 3rd podium position is the relentless Dodge Challenger. A modern embodiment of a legendary nameplate, the Challenger seamlessly combines nostalgic design cues with contemporary engineering prowess. With options ranging from potent V8 engines to mind-bending Hellcat powertrains, the Challenger serves as a bridge between the past and the future, reaffirming its commitment to the muscle car heritage. Number 2. Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. Thrusting into the spotlight at number 2 is a name synonymous with automotive excellence, the Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. While it may be a sports car at heart, the Stingray's performance credentials firmly secure its position among the muscle car elite. With its sleek and aerodynamic design, cutting-edge technology, and a lineage spanning generations, the Corvette Stingray is a testament to the pursuit of unrelenting performance. Number 1. Ford Mustang Shelby GT 500, and now, the moment that echoes with the roar of thunderous engines, the Ford Mustang Shelby GT 500 commands the pinnacle of our countdown. This vehicular masterpiece embodies the very essence of muscle car dominance. With its aggressive styling, earth-shattering horsepower figures, and the legacy crafted by the iconic Carroll Shelby, the GT 500 stands tall as the ultimate testament to unbridled power, unyielding passion, and the embodiment of what it truly means to be a muscle car. From the revving engines of the past to the contemporary powerhouses of today, our journey through the top 10 muscle cars of all time has illuminated the undying spirit of speed, strength, and style. These automobiles aren't just machines, they're symbols of the pursuit of power and the romance of the road. Now, we turn to you. What's your favorite muscle car from our countdown? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you've enjoyed this thrilling ride through automotive history, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay connected with us and won't miss any of our exhilarating content. Join our community of fellow car enthusiasts and be part of our journey to uncover the finest automobiles ever built. Until next time, may the engines roar and the asphalt stretch out before you in all its unexplored glory.